John!
At any moment, anyone can suffer from sudden cardiac arrest. As a certified HEARTSafe community, the City of Palm Beach Gardens is dedicated to educating and equipping our residents to take immediate action in these circumstances.
Call 911!
I got you.
Oh, God.
In order to assist our citizens in these life-saving efforts, the city has also installed 24/7 AED boxes in a number of public areas. When calling 911, you will be connected to a dispatcher that will confirm your location and the nature of your emergency, guide the caller to the closest AED box, and give you a code to access the device and walk you through how to use it until the first responders arrive.
I do have help dispatched out. They're going to be there shortly. I need you to keep following those instructions, continue the CPR until help gets to you, okay?
In the City of Palm Beach Gardens, 100% of individuals who survived these sudden cardiac arrests had one thing in common. They were given immediate bystander CPR and/or AED treatment. These are crucial steps that must be taken to give that individual the best chance to live. If you want to learn more about these 24/7 boxes, as well as their locations throughout the city, you can download the PulsePoint mobile app to find an AED near you. Additionally, if you want to learn how to do CPR properly, the city offers hands-only training the third Tuesday of each month at Fire Station 61. We encourage you to do your part and be ready when the time comes to act. Your timely action may mean the difference in the chain of survival.